80 litre bath, discharging at a gradient of 150, egg-shaped sewer, where we have Playdoh at 30 metres every 2 metres, but we're just filling it in 28 metres, 26 metres, 24 metres, 22 metres, 20 metres, 18 metres, 16 metres, 14 metres, 12 metres, 10 metres, 8 metres, 6 metres, 14 metres, and at 2 metres. Release the bath now, please. No, they won't go through the main sewer. I've checked them before. Remember the last day? Even after 12 baths? Well, main sewer different. 12 baths and still the maximum was 10.6 metres. Go ahead. Yeah, we have multiple solids moving down the line, and one solid is actually making the other move, and they're actually helping each other in terms of distance. So the 16 metres, everything's moving. 18 metres is moving, 20 metres is moved without a collision, 22 metres required a collision, 24 required a collision, 26 required a collision, and now 30. And that is 1, 2, 3, multiple solids coming into the line. So at every 2 metres, bath capability in terms of multiple solids proves that one solid is actually helping the other. Right, you can stop the bath now and determine how many litres is left in it.